Hey everyone, Brian here with Cruise Culture Magazine, and today I've got something truly special for you. We're diving into one of the cleanest, meanest builds we've ever featured here on the channel. A 1958 Chevy Impala built by Chris and his team at Heighton Restorations. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. It's the kind of car you hear before you see, a throaty rumble that makes you snap your neck around, searching for the source. And once your eyes land on the sleek mirror-finished black paint of Richard's 1958 Chevy Impala, you're hooked. This isn't just another pretty cruiser, it's a fully realized vision that took 4 painstaking years from dream to asphalt. When Richard dragged this 58 Impala into Heighton Auto Restorations, it was closer to needing a scrapyard than a showroom. Rust had claimed nearly everything, forcing the crew at Heighton Auto Restorations to replace the entire floor pan, trunk pan, floor braces, and even portions of the quarter panels and tail pan. The exterior of this reborn classic is nothing short of breathtaking. Underneath the layers of House of Color black paint and 4 meticulously wet-sanded and polished coats of show clear, the Impala gleams with a depth that could make even the best mirror blush. Richard decided on a subtle D-chrome to let the iconic lines of the Impala speak louder than any badge could, enhancing the natural beauty of its curves. Beneath that striking bodywork, the Impala's original chassis was powder-coated black by Top Gun coatings, providing a precision foundation that would become a sophisticated yet muscular stance. Ride-Tech tubular control arms, HQ coilovers, and sway bars at both ends ensure this cruiser handles corners as confidently as it claims the boulevard. Behind those eye-catching Scott Performance cover lock nitro wheels wrapped in diamondback red lines lurks a braking system built for serious stopping power. Wilwood Dynalite calipers clamp down on drilled and slotted rotors, 13 inches in the front, 11 inches in the rear, fed by a CPP aluminum master cylinder and booster. And what a beast it is. The 409 Chevy has been bored and stroked to a muscular 484 cubic inches by Unlimited Performance, delivering a dyno-proven 506 horsepower and grin-inducing 585 foot-pounds of torque. Edelbrock aluminum heads, a performer intake, and a custom ground comp cam provide the symphony, while Holley's Stealth 1100 CFM injection and Terminator X software ensure everything runs harmoniously. Yeah. Sounds good. It's a good sounding car.
It rips.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a strap or weekend and yet it's life-saving.
Yep, that's good. Stainless headers fabricated by unobtainium welding funnel the exhaust through a custom 2.5-inch MagnaFlow system, creating a soundtrack that's pure American muscle. Transferring all of that brute force to the pavement is a Tremec TKO 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 12-bolt Posi rear end equipped with 390 gears. Hydraulic clutch actuation makes shifting a dream, turning every drive into an event you never want to end. Inside, the Impala's cabin is a masterpiece worthy of the exterior, inspired by 1965 Thunderbird bucket seats, each reupholstered in luxurious hides Italian Thema red leather by Auto Marine Upholstery. The interior is an exercise in tasteful custom design. Richard and the team even modified the rear seat to accommodate a full-length center console complete with the Billet V emblems and an e-stop electric parking brake, hidden power window switches, and Clayton machine LED lighting. The dash, a transplanted and skillfully modified 1959 Impala piece, houses stunning Dakota Digital RTX gauges offering modern functionality without sacrificing classic looks. The Flaming River tilt steering column, capped off with leather-wrapped billet specialties wheel, puts control firmly in Richard's hands. And while the rumble of the exhaust is music enough for most enthusiasts, Richard equipped the Impala with a secret audio sound system, Kenwood Exelon speakers, and 2 thunderous subwoofers, ensuring that every drive has a perfect soundtrack. Perhaps the most remarkable details resides overhead, a custom one-piece fiberglass headliner crafted using the roof of a 57 Buick as a mold, seamlessly integrated with billet aluminum inserts and finished with luxurious red leather. It's a subtle reminder of the obsessive attention to detail that Chris Heighton and his team used to define this build. This 1958 Chevy Impala isn't just restored, it's reimagined, resurrected, and ready to remind everyone why the classic never truly goes out of style. And then all the way. Can we roll down all of the windows? Yeah.